Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys my Lego puzzle box. So here it is. Let's just move my tablet down. Here we go. Put it closer. Here we go. So here's a 360 view. Let's put a little bit more up. There we go. Push a little bit further. There's a top. So this is a new mech. Oops. Just put that back where it was. As you see, you cannot pull nothing out. So first what you do, slide this piece, turn over, slide this piece, get the thing that's in there. Next you're gonna put that in there, push it, now you have your second key. That was the first key. Then you can turn over and then put it in there, and then this falls out, and this is your secret compartment. And hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.